keep that in. I play this hi-hat pattern a lot. And an awful lot of people play it too. But if you want 3 more versions of it that are way more interesting, and you want an exercise that sticks them all together, which is excruciatingly frustrating, then here it is. 3, 4. Those of you who are observant may notice that all I'm really doing is moving where the accent falls in this pattern. Let's take a step back. What am I doing? First of all, the easy one, quote unquote, is none of these are very easy, but I'm doing 1 and a. So I'm doing accents on the edge of the hi-hat using the shoulder of the stick, and then going up to the top with the tip of the stick and kind of bouncing it to get the 2 other notes. In the case of the first bar, this is a 4-bar thing. The first pattern is 1 and a, but we want to use the and is more of a double. Get a bounce out of it, because when we try and use these patterns at speed, you're going to want to make it as efficient as humanly possible. So that's your first one. And what else are we playing with it? We're playing a 4 to the floor just to make things nice and simple, which is bass drums on 1, 2, 3, 4, and snare drums on 2 and 4, like so. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and that's your first bar. Nice and simple, because everything falls with that accent on the edge here. Next one is 1 E, a 2 E, a 3 E, a 4 E. So if you're thinking about what these other limbs are going to be syncing up with, it's no longer an accent, and that's going to feel so weird if you haven't done that before. It's actually going to be tip of the stick on top. So you get 1 E, a 2 E, and so on through the rest of the bar. Gross. No other way to put that. Honestly, out of all of them, this is the most horrible one. So if you can get past that, happy days. Now, the next one, 1 E and. So tap, tap, edge. If you're looking to just get into this and you feel like the E and is a bit too overwhelming, this is the other one you want to do. So the 1 and which is the first one, being able to then do 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. This is fantastic for your disco grooves. So much fun. Anyway, that's your third bar, and everything is gonna, again, fall with the tip of the stick on top, but now we're gonna have tip, tip, edge, 1 E and. Again, we wanna be bouncing for those. Try not to get your elbow too involved. It's very easy to do, so just keep it down. Sync that up, as you can see above. 1 E and 3 E and, 4 E and. Last up, this I'm currently in love with. 1 E and nothing on the 1. Double The good thing about this exercise in particular, and putting a 4 to the floor with it, means you can get that bass drum in all those gaps. So you can just get a feel for it in your hands. 1 E and E and E and 4 E and Ooh-wee! Put the snare drum in. 1 E and 3 E and 3 E. Oh! Okay, before you stick all the bars together, make sure you can just get all of the patterns by themselves, individually, nice and smooth first, and then transition each one to the other individually as well before you try and do a long string of them. But all that being said and done, do it to a metronome and you will get this. 4